I took my my
Talk about carrying the load.
Yeah. You got a load there?
Feel it. That bag's got a bit of girth in it.
Oh, has indeed. What's in the bag?
Heavy stuff, seemingly.
Seemingly
heavy stuff. What's in Brett's bag this week, guys?
I know what's in Brett's bag because I saw you putting it in.
You did see me
I
putting it in. Ruins the magic just a little bit.
Yeah, only for me though.
Only for you.
For everyone else, it's still magic. Not really. Hey, did I see Coyote? Whoa!
You saw more than just some.
I saw
Coyote.
lots of Coyote. We got a lot in this week.
We have had a lot in this week, and you guys have seen most of it before, but I'm just going to give a quick look. So we got the Crest 8 back again. The Crest X or Crest 10 wasn't available for dispatch, so the Pro Spec one. So we're out of those. But I did get 2 new speed controllers, which we'll have a deeper look at. But we've had a fresh restock of your favorite LiPos, 6300s, 6800s, 9200s. There's a big race coming up in Perth, and that's a big nitro track. That might be really handy for 13.5. We've got the program boxes.
Or you can run your 540 on that for a week.
For a week, that's right.
Yeah.
It will definitely blow the brushes off of the com before the battery's flat.
Yeah.
4600. Now, everybody, we've got a little race here called the World Titles coming up.
Yeah.
I think every buggy at that World is going to have these 4600s.
Yep.
There's 60 coming to the country, 48 hours ago?
Yeah.
I think there's 3 left.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting them, and for very good reason. In here, I mean, these are the prototype ones, but I just like keeping it all together. Look at this.
Oh.
And I would have shown you the prototype 10 scale motor, but it's hanging out of my SO3. So I'm hoping I can get that stitched up and bring that into reveal on next week's show. But
I like it when you've got things to reveal.
It is Friday.
Unfortunately, the policemen don't like it so much. You have to stop revealing things.
Lost my train of thought now.
Yeah, I know. That's the train of thought.
I'm thinking about being revealed too. 2.4 kilos. Pete's saying, awesome show today. Thank you, Pete. It's really nice. Nobody else says.
What Pete means was it was really good till TFG came
until
on.
you got here. Now he's going to switch off.
Yeah, but at least I didn't have to follow car.
Retro Rob was guessing the weight of the bag. Remember we used to guess the weight of the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's guessing the weight of
the
the bag.
We lost interest in that.
Yeah, we lost interest.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony, Pete. Hey, Pete.
Gavin Cooper said, bring on Tony.
Bring on Tony.
Gav, you are my man.
Hey, if you race anything other than modified, you do not, I don't care what anybody says, you do not need a $400 speed controller.
Correct.
But being RC racers, we still do.
We still do it. Yeah.
We still do it because we're unhinged. But for those of you who are, smarter?
Almost normal?
Smarter?
Normal? Or poorer. Poorer.
No. Well, I love these. So Coyote have released finally the new stock spec speed controllers.
And stock doesn't refer to anything stock. It's just their way of saying
blinky, right? So there's going to be 3 in the range. Again, we were busting for this order, so we busted their chops and we missed out on the 120s. They will be here next week.
Their chops are busted.
There's 60 amp, 80 amp, and 120 amp coming.
For most people, that 60 will be enough.
Well, that will run 13.5.
13.5.
You'll want to
easily
put a fan on it.
Yeah.
But that will run 13.5. It won't run anything. You wouldn't want to probably put a 10.5, but 13.5. And who races anything?
No.
95% of all racers race stock.
Yeah.
Right? So 60 amp. And what I love about these speed controllers is the packaging. Look at it. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You know you are getting a quality product. Except this one's been fingered by me.
Well, it's not the last thing to be fingered by you.
Have a look at it. It's tiny.
It's cute. You hear that a lot, don't you?
Yeah. It does have a plastic case. But even that's presented really nice.
Yeah.
Where the Crest 10 is
full
alloy case. So the top part is alloy, bottom part is plastic. Just do that to keep costs down and weight, actually.
Built-in fan.
It's got a fan, which is really nice. It's got the inbuilt power button, and it does use the same program box and Wi-Fi module that all the other ones use. which is really good. We've got our beautiful gold-plated soldering points as per normal.
And can we say very affordable?
Very affordable.
Very, very affordable.
And we've also got our sensor port underneath here at the back. Really, really nice. And there's no... What I like about the Crest X is they've actually engineered little slots for the capacitor wires. But they haven't done that on this. Do you know why?
Because
they're inbuilt capacitors, just like the Totem. And that is one of my favorite features on these cars, that the capacitors, as far as I'm concerned, are ugly as sin.
Yeah.
Right? And if you plug them in backwards, they're going to blow up anyway. And if it's the non-polar ones, well, they're still going to blow up
anyway. Yeah. Something's going to blow.
Something's going to blow up.
Usually it's you on a Friday night.
But these ones here, yeah, like I said, I don't like talking prices, but yeah, check this out. Jump online, check out the price. You will not believe it. That is amazing. And this is the next. I'll show you what else you get in the box. What's in your box?
Yeah.
Beautiful instructions. I haven't actually read them myself, but
they're a little bit small for me to read.
Are they?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you get
13 gauge wire. Really, really nice.
That's pretty chunky.
That is pretty chunky for 60 amp, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyway, 13 gauge, and it's pre-tinned as well.
Oh.
I'm not sure why, but they bothered to pre-tin it, and they give you 5 lengths of wire.
There's some guy in the factory in Shenzhen he's just dipping it.
Dipping in the end. You get some heat shrink. Nice little touch. Bit of safety, especially if your soldering's not the best. If you do one connection at a time, do one connection and then heat shrink it, then do the next connection. That ensures that none of them are bridged. None of them are shorted
that's always a risk when you're doing something here, that someone is a bit heavy-handed with the soldering.
And it blobs over.
And it blobs over, and when you turn it on, it goes all fiery.
It goes all fiery.
Yeah.
And two
sensor wires.
Sensor wires. A off-road inspired 175 mil. I think I measured it. And an on-road inspired, what, 125?
125 or something,
yeah. So
that's good to get two.
Good to get two. So they've really thought of it. There's no capacitors in there because they're in the inside the case.
I'm going to say at the price point, these are unbeatable.
Yeah, definitely.
They're just.
And this one here, the 80. Now this is 20 amps more, so it's got heavier FETs in it, heavier duty FETs. But effectively, it's the same unit.
Thing.
It's got the same footprint. It's got the same casing. Does have different graphics on it, obviously. RS60, RS80. So this would be more, I suppose if you are dedicating to 13.5, like whether it's four-wheel drive or touring car, 13.5, if that's all you're doing, you might want to go to an 80 to give you a little bit cooler running temps. But yeah, I don't know. I'm keen to get them in a car and get them trying. So after that SO 3.0, I'm going to build a SO 2.0. I'm going to make that stock spec just to try out this gear.
To
try it, because unfortunately I've already built the double X. I've built the RS, and I don't fancy on getting any more cars. The Works 91's ready. That's got a Totem in it.
So you're just going to have to wait.
Just going to have to wait, right?
Unless I grab one and put one in one of my cars.
That's right. So so they are all new releases from Team Coyote. I'm super excited, and I think you guys should be too.
Yes, these are good. We've been waiting for these, although not as much as what we've been waiting for the motors to come.
No, because like I said, the motors are absolutely beautiful. And from all reports, like the modified motors will be due next week in store. Stock motors are still a little bit off. There's a lot of more hoops and everything to jump through for the stock motors.
You got to be approvals
and licenses and stuff like that to make sure that they meet all the rules and specifications for worldwide competition. All right, guys. I think we should
we've
covered a lot.
Yeah.
We had Will James. You missed it as well. Will James come in from the train show.
Yeah, that's what's been good about today. He hasn't been here.
He hasn't been here.
Yeah.
And we had, like I said, we had Daffy come in from Chargers, which was really nice. Joined us.
Yep.
So take care, guys. Come in store and say hi. I'll see you out at AMRA on Sunday. You're going to G Town.
I'm going to G Town tomorrow. We didn't make it the other week. You and I made a big talk about it.
And we didn't make it.
And neither of us made it.
Well, I had to go to work. So
and I had to look after my missus.
And now I've pulled my RS apart.
Yeah.
So the only on-road car that's in my stable is a TTO1. And as much as I love a TTO1, I'm not driving to Geelong
to run a TTO.
to run a TTO1.
Well, me and Timmy will be representing Hearns and Tony P.
Tony P.
Yeah, I'll be running. We'll both be running our RS 1.0s.
Yeah.
Because
Hey, they've updated this week.
I,
So they've re-released, and they were threatening that the RS 1.0 has been re-released. No,
And-
re-released. Yeah, there's been a new model,
with the optional
aluminium shocks,
aluminium low shocks,
and carbon shock towers.
which is what's on my car anyway.
Yeah. So, but it comes all in one box.
Yeah.
So it'd be interesting to see a price point. So the RS 2.0 will be the entry level car with
Yeah.
plastic shocks, and the RS 1.0 with its fiberglass chassis and metal shocks, carbon
Yeah.
shock towers will be the
Very
mid tier.
Interesting to see the price on that.
And it'd be very interesting to see the performance difference on track. We should actually do a car swap next time. It's been a long time since I've driven an RS1, but
Yeah.
that was a weapon. And I know Timmy loves it.
Timmy, oh yeah.
I know Timmy loves it.
What Timmy likes about it is a zero maintenance because it lives at my house.
And it just
So he
goes.
never does anything to it.
But it just works.
comes with us. But every time you need anything done, Tim? No, it's fine. Don't you dare touch it.
No, that's right.
So it works fine.
Some exciting releases from Yokomo.
Oh.
All right. Well, we'll head off.
Now we're going to go.
We'll get back on with it. Thanks for watching, guys. That has been episode 271.
Oh,
Of
seems like
Hearns
only
Live?
last week it was 278.
270.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. I just make numbers up. They're not important, whether they're correct.
Thank you very much for everybody in the studio watching us live. Thanks for everybody who watches us back. If you've got anything that you'd like to see on the show or anything that we've done wrong or anything
Well,
that he said wrong,
not anything that we've done wrong.
please let us know. No, because I'm happy to learn too.
Oh,
Yeah, and I do sometimes.
I'll
make
learn and then
things
I
up.
forget.
All right, guys. I'm Brett from Hearns.
I'm Tony from Hearns.
And thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye-bye.